Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start right now. Verify cellular data and signal strength because no network means no hotspot. Once confirmed, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios, then make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Next, open your device's personal hotspot settings and enable the hotspot. Choose a short, secure password so devices can join. Do this before pairing devices. If the toggle is grayed out, keep the settings screen open while you restart the device to force the service to reinitialize. Once the hotspot is enabled, look at the connected devices list to see if the device is requesting access. If it's stuck, forget the network on the client and rejoin. Make sure the client receives an IP address via DHCP if it gets a 169.254.x address, assign a static IP in the same subnet. Also confirm your carrier plan allows tethering and that the APN or tethering toggle matches carrier requirements. Misconfigured APN often blocks data forwarding, so correct it now. Finish by restarting both the host device and the client. A fresh boot often restores the hotspot service. After reboot, test with a second client to determine whether the issue is host or client specific. Make sure system and carrier settings are up to date and reset network settings only if other steps fail. If problems persist, contact your carrier to check tethering on the account. Meanwhile, use USB tethering or a wired connection as a reliable workaround until the underlying service is fixed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.